realize it or not, the simple lube, oil, and filter service is still one of the best profit drivers you have. More importantly, it's one of the best touch points you get with your customers. In this video, we'll talk about why oil changes should still be a profit driver in your tire shop. Oil changes are routine, sure, but they are a great chance to perform a complete vehicle inspection and build trust with your customers. If your shop is still advertising a low-cost conventional oil change just to get people in the door, you might not be attracting the customers that you really want. Most modern vehicles call for full synthetic oil anyway, so positioning your services around quality rather than discounts helps send the right message. What every customer truly wants is peace of mind. They want to know that the oil going into their vehicle protects their investment and that the person changing it is skilled enough to look at the entire vehicle while it's in the bay. Even a simple detail, like explaining which oil and filter you're installing, can instill that confidence. Extended protection oils are one trend gaining traction. Some products claim they can last up to 20,000 miles, which may sound appealing to the customer who tends to stretch out their intervals, but it can also create confusion if your shop recommends following the OEM's schedule. This is where communication matters most. When you frame the conversation around protection and longevity, you help the customer understand why consistent oil changes are still essential. Another way to think about oil changes is as an upsell opportunity. Premium synthetic oils that offer added benefits can be positioned as part of a higher tier service package. When you explain the advantages clearly, customers see the value, and that small step turns a routine oil change into a bigger ticket item. Even more importantly, products that are designed to be used over multiple oil changes create built-in return visits. That means steady business for your shop, better margins on each service, and a chance to strengthen long-term customer loyalty. The key is to not overlook the oil change as just another quick job. It should be a recurring service that brings customers back, builds loyalty, and gives you the chance to inspect the vehicle before small issues turn into major repairs. In other words, oil changes should still be one of your most powerful profit drivers. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.